This 2019 Forest River Cherokee 264CK2 BDRMU Dinette Sofa Slide DBL Bed Bunks is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This used Forest River is 32 feet 0 inches in length and features one slide-out, a tan, brown classic neutrals interior, sleeps 10, air conditioning, skylight, auxiliary battery, slide-out, external shower, and 46 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Forest River Cherokee 264CK2 BDRMU Dinette Sofa Slide DBL Bed Bunks is 6,455 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.